Hello and welcome to home renovations video. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna build this industrial looking shelf out of 25 by 25 profiles for the bench here. Since the old computer bench is gone and excuse the mess though, yeah, it's still under cleaning, but I'm gonna build this before I put everything in place. So it's gonna go about here all the way there, and then it's gonna go off there, and here we're gonna have a bunch of shelves for the radios and stuff, and the computer will go here. It will go about out here, and then we're gonna put a bit of aluminium on top because, well, I have it. So that's the plan, and it's hot as hell, or hot as Australia, I don't know, hot anyways, 25 degrees plus. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, I got a new 3D printer. It's a lot better than the old one, but someone was collecting filaments, so now I have a shitload of that. Oh well, I'll see you when the build goes on. So, well, even the shadows were too hot to film this while building it, and so, well, basically that's how it turned out. I'm gonna build the shelf here another day. We got some of those plates there that we're gonna use as the shelves, or perhaps something else, I don't know. But basically we're gonna move that screen up and build a shelf for the radios. This one's gonna be a bit higher up, and the 706 is gonna be beneath it, I hope. And of course we're gonna put the place for the power supplies and antenna switch and all that sort of stuff. Computers are just stored there until I find a better place for them, so probably infinite time. And I'm probably gonna get a SDR dongle soon, so we're gonna play around with that a bit, because I'd like to get the waterfall kind of spectrum going. They would look neat. So I'm gonna run a Linux and that thing for that, so I'm just gonna go pick it up someday. So then well, you probably know SDRs, there's better videos about it, but I'm gonna try to show what I can do with it anyway. And from the online SDRs, I hope we'll get less of a lag. You know, the SDRs online, you get like a 2-3 second lag. I want that to be milliseconds. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that, but hopefully anyway. So I'll see you in that video, and hopefully it comes out sometime. So, well, let's break in the new bench with, you guess it, another angle grinder. This one's completely dead, doesn't start up for shit. Yeah, so let's just give that a quick test. This is gonna be a long runner though, but I don't know how. I'll probably edit it down somehow. Let's see. Some power. You know, definitely won't run without that stuff. And this expected nothing. Let's crack the part. Unplug the cord, of course. You know, you wouldn't want to get shocked. Let's see, it has no brushes. That would have been the first to check. I suspect this is going to be a bit dirty, so that's why the aluminium plate. Stainless steel plates. Oh, it does have brushes. And those seem fine. Let's see. That one seems fine. And so does this one. Let's see, that's an interesting switch mechanism. Wonder if the cord's okay. Let's check that. There we go. Turn it on, and then we should, if I don't misremember, be able to measure through the windings. So we should see some sort of resistance at least. No, guess I was wrong. Let's see if we measure just that's fine. Let's see the other one. Let's see where the other one goes actually. Let's see. It goes there, there, through there. So yeah, that we should have contact there. That doesn't seem right. Hopefully, I don't think it's running through the capacitor. Whatever that does. Probably some well, it goes over here. Oh, yeah, it goes straight to that point. So that's the switch. So we should be able to measure a connection there. I don't know how well the radio picked up, but oh, it's open connection. We were just measuring something resistancy in the switch. There you go. That's alright. That one is not. So it means the cord is gone bad. Wonder where. I'm just feeling over the cord for any weird things going on. That does feel sort of weird. Well, I mean, if it's bored bad, we might as well crack it open and have a look. Because, well, it does feel a bit weird right here. Like it's been bent a lot. That feels fine, looked fine. That's another weird one of those. And right there as well. Yeah, I think we found it. Let's have a look. This feels way too easy to bend. Well, then just let's, for the sake of it testing and see if it works, let's just cut it right here. I have a cutter. And let's see if it still measures weirdly. Or if we cut the... Oops. That's not how you're supposed to strip the wire, just so you know. No. Still no connection. That's weird. They told me it's broken. Ooh, that's dusty. Here? Doesn't look too good actually. You see it's been wedged here for a really long time, so it might be broken right there. Well, actually, let's see if the cord I cut off is fine. If it is, then we can just move it up a bit. That's how you're supposed to strip a rubber cable, but let's get to that. Let's do that. That's fine. And that's fine. Great. Let's just plug this in and see if it works then. I think it will. There we go. I should be able to get this out. No worries. Cables are long enough. Yeah, that's definitely where it broke off. I'm gonna need some cable shoes. I don't really feel like reusing these ones. Or should I reuse them? That's probably the easiest thing to do. We're gonna see, we need about that much wire length. That's about right. So well, just give me a moment while I go get shrink wrap and get this all soldered up. Well, we are back, and I realized I can't fucking keep in frame, so let's do that. Yeah, it was dirty. Anyway, that's good. We have a new cord, resoldered and all garbage-y like that. So let's assemble it. God damn it. Well, yeah, they are open for a reason, I think. So, well. Hopefully this works now. Then this was a short repair bench. And, well, I honestly don't really know how to cope with that, because I was expecting to need to buy parts. At least brushes. Here we go. I think it was something like that. And this one just straight broke over here. So not being in the way. There we go. Let's put the switch mating back. Try to put the switch matinger back on. Great. And done. It was going like that, but that proved not to work, as you see, since it broke. But I guess I'm gonna put it the same way because, yeah, you know, reasons. Come on. Do as I tell you. Right, I forgot about something. Shit. Well, I only hurt the outer wires. Yes, this new. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to replace this again if it works, but anyway. I'd be quite surprised if it does work. And I forgot another thing that's rather important. This fucking thing needs to go over the cord. Let's test it the way it is. Be careful not to touch anything. Is it gonna work? I don't know. Superb. I'm gonna put it together off camera because, you know. Well, just for fun, let's see if we can measure it the way I tried before, you know, just the cord. See if there's a connection. This seems right. Machine is off. Machine is on. Seems that we cannot. And let's just make sure it still works, just so we don't fool ourselves. Well, I think the linkage to the button wasn't on properly. So, well, it turns out that we can't measure it that way anyway. So we know that to the next project now, and if you like my content, please subscribe, and if you don't, I really advise against subscribing. See you around.
It's a dark, cold world.